Hello, welcome back my YouTube channel. Nó con nông shop nga ai ngô ya ublay ngiyo ya kamet kapat kabakoy kabakya kam choro ya kiperlok kublay shibon papi support ya nga mga yo chiphaw ke subscriber te nang krashan shusho ya kane ka channel te lada phios nyu chung mantoy na kane ka video wanam klat pan share lem shaki perlok lane haying hasam chongpi wanam klat ro ban like share and subscribe ya kane ka channel alengin yes chang no ya kane ka ching hikai bangin nang kloy pan kren ya kakten pareng kane ka video kan yarap yapi. Everyone should know this. Kasi manla uway pa uway uhapan tip ya kane. People who come from poor family kasi kibriw kibawan na kilangging kibadok. They truly understanding the problem faced by the people kasi ki kham sngew thu ba ya ka ching e pamat ki briu. Why I say like that? Kasi balay nga ong kumta. In life we have to face lots of problems kasi ha ka ching im chongi ki ngi hap pan mat shibon kiching e. Don't let your problems put you down. Kasi what I ba kaching e kan penken randen yapi. I never forget people who help me. Kasi ngamla banklet ya kibriw kibayarap yanga. You may think that I forget you. Kasi pila pan mudur banga klet yapi. True friend will never leave you. Kasi kiparlok kibashisha kim jo e no yapi. Our best friend is like our brother and sister. Kiparlok kibashisha kilang kum kihammen kipara. I agree with you. Kasi nga monjor batpi. In our life always ups and down. Kasi ha kaching im chongi barabor kadon kaching here kaching you. But don't lose hope. Kasi henry ngim day ban do jengkermen. Don't let the words of others will discourage you. Kasi what I baka kantin kiway kan pendo mansin yapi. Put God first. Kasi bo ya ublay nungkong. Then we will never be lost. Kasi kenang bangin omlong kibakado. Because I want to know. Kasi namar ngakwa bantip. Struggle now and enjoy later. Kasi penshitam yalade menta. Salekmen pat hadin. I hope you are in good health. Kasi nga kermen pendon ha kamet bakoy bakya. It does not matter how slowly you go. Kasi compare ladapiyay suki suki. As long as you don't stop. Kasi kat bapihi himpat sange. There is a time for everything. Kasi kadon kapor ya ki ay baro. Everything come to you at the right time. Be patient. Kasi baro kanwan happy ha kapor kabadai yai sha ya kata. Patience is a key of success. Kasi kaching yai sha kalong kalenti sha kaching job. Nothing is impossible in this world, but you can make it possible. Kasi omdon kano kabomla ha kane kaparthe hanrei pila panle yakata. Kublai shibun yapi ki perlok ki perajor ki support yang amen pan sen sngew pha kershan lem ya kane ka channel sa shisen akwa banyo ya ki subscriber arfrosan ke tang kata kublai shibun nang kershan shushu ya kane ka channel.